Hi.
Sorry about that, but I didn't get that lock to work on the door.
Yeah, Joey kind of disabled it when I moved in.
You must be Rachel. I'm Erin.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you. It'll be just a few minutes.
Disabled interracial lesbians with an African kicker?
Did not see that coming.
It's been a while since I read an actual newspaper.
If an accident does happen, I hope he kills me. Because I don't think I would be a very inspiring disabled person.
Annie, relax. She's not here yet.
You might want to play it a little cooler.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word disabled. It means physically or mentally impaired, injured, or incapacitated. Also means used with a plural verb. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce disabled, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to dis. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how disabled is used in real life.
Disabled interracial lesbians with an African kicker?
Yeah, Joey kind of disabled it when I moved in.
If an accident does happen, I hope he kills me. Because I don't think I would.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.